Are you looking for extra freezer space that won't dominate your home? The TABU 5.0 cubic feet chest freezer is a compact solution designed to fit almost anywhere. It promises quiet, energy-efficient performance for all your frozen storage needs. Let's dive in and see how it holds up. First, let's examine the core performance parts of the TABU chest freezer. With a 5.0 cubic feet capacity, this freezer provides a good amount of storage for a compact model, making it. The high-efficiency R600A compressor ensures your food cools down quickly and maintains stable temperatures, which is crucial for food preservation. Powered by an R600A compressor, this freezer aims for low energy consumption, helping to keep your utility bills in check. The front-facing 7-level adjustable dial provides easy and precise temperature control, ranging from -7.6 F to 6.8 F for optimal food storage. Overall, the TABU chest freezer provides robust performance where it counts most. Next, let's explore the TABU freezer's design and how practical it is for every day. The hinge door design offers flexible access from 45 to 90 degrees, and the removable storage basket helps you organize. Operating at a noise level of 40 decibels or less, this freezer runs remarkably quietly, ensuring it won't disturb your. Despite offering a generous 5.0 cubic feet of storage, the freezer maintains a compact footprint, making it easy to place. This freezer uses a manual defrost method, which helps maintain consistent temperatures, but does mean you'll need to periodically defrost. In terms of design and practicality, this freezer shines with its quiet operation and thoughtful access. The TABU 5.0 cubic feet chest freezer proves to be a practical and efficient option for expanding your frozen storage. Its quiet operation, compact size, and energy-efficient cooling make it a strong contender for various spaces. While the manual defrost is a notable trade-off, the overall value and performance are quite good for its asking price.